Buffett's retiring at the end of the year. Right now I'm going to see what and where we stand as far as his stock. So first I'm going to draw my Fibonacci from the highest of the year to the lowest of this year. 437.9. 542.07. Let's see. As you can see, we're in a downtrend, struggling to break a downtrend, but also the same downtrend is a wedge. So we bounced at the Fibonacci. As you can see, it lined up pretty well. Bounced at the Fibonacci, rejected at the high, came down to the bottom of the wedge. Now we're rejecting the downtrend, struggling to break and hold above. But as you can see, we're basing out at the Fibonacci that I have. We're basing out right here. So in case we don't hold, I'm gonna find buying opportunities if this was to come lower. Let's see. I like this support right here. Let's see, what's this? I like this 470 support right here. I like this support right here. So now let's go back on, let's go back a few years to see if there's anything else prior to this. So, boom. Wow, so this lined up, this resistance that I put lined up with this resistance right here. This 470 psychological level I added here lined up with this zone, and this support that I put here, we're struggling and consolidating to break and hold in this area also. So those two I like as far as downside. Can I do better with this area? Let's see. I like the buy off of this candle. I like the buy off of this candle at 445.25. So I like the buy off this candle at 445.25. Now, if we were to recover from here, I'm gonna find a few resistance to help you not panic. Let's see. Don't like that. Like that, no. 510 is a good psychological number to look out for in this zone. So break, struggling to hold above, struggling to hold above. Few, ouch. I hate when this does that. Let's see. Double bottom right here. Buyers, rejection. So I like this 510 psychological level in the zone. Let's see if we have anything up here. So I like this 530.61 zone. Rejecting, holding above, bouncing, holding above right here with the body of the candles. See? So this is a good reaction zone. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, let me see, I feel like I'm missing something. 4-hour time frame. Let's see. I like this. I like this rejection right here on the 4-hour, and it also lines up with this rejection here, and we have some consolidation at the same level here on the 4-hour time frame. See? We have some consolidation and reaction at this 4-hour level. So on the daily, this is what I have for BRKB. These are some zones to look out for, and I'm not telling you to sell when we get up here. It's just to look out and know why we're rejecting and consolidating when we recover. That's all.